Hello traders and welcome to the Weekly Forex forecast for the week of September 22nd, 2019. Jumping into the news here real quick, going into the next week here. I'm going to start off with flash services and manufacturing PMI out for the Euro region, France and Germany. Let's go ahead and start the week. Japan will be on a bank holiday and President Draghi will do to speak. So you're going to have some volatility. Go ahead and start the week and could kind of set the tone for the week. We will have the official cash rate and the rate statement out for the Kiwi. That's going to happen on Tuesday. Something to certainly watch out for there. They're going to keep rates unchanged at 1%, it looks like. And then at the end of the week, towards the end of the week, we're going to have final GDP numbers out for the states. We're going to have the Fed press conference, President Draghi due to speak, Bank of England Governor Carney due to speak. This is all going to happen on Thursday, along with the final GDP number out for the states. So you're going to have quite a few comments, and you certainly should have some volatility again on Thursday due to all those speeches. So certainly watch for the rhetoric there. So jumping into the charts here, looking at the dollar. After the Fed meeting this week, you can see we kind of popped here and sold off here a little bit, but really unchanged here almost for the week, for the last couple weeks here. Just grinding higher here in this channel. Continuing to watch our levels, 99.37 for resistance intraday. Support and resistance here at 98.30, support at 97.29, and 96.42 if you tend to drop off here a little bit. But uptrend is certainly still intact here, grinding higher, and still in this channel here. So just continue to watch those key levels going forward. Euro, you can see found a little bit of support here at 109.13. Right now, resistance is at 106.84 and 112 the figure. 110.68, is the resistance area that we're watching, in 112 the figure for resistance. Support right now is at 109.13, and if we do break that, we start getting further downside here. 105.73 would be the area to watch, but in between all that, go ahead and plot a level here for you. The next level to watch would be this 107.89 area. Pound dollar. You can see for the week is pretty much unchanged. You had some positive news and then some negative news to go ahead and close out the week. So really unchanged. Watch out for any Brexit. That's really what's moving this the needle here. Right now, 125.74 and 127.69 is resistance. Support is at 123.74 and 122.11. Dollar yen, you can see a nice little pop, but then you had a pullback at the end of the week. A lot of risk off when the U.S.-China trade relations supposedly kind of fell apart when China went home early. But we'll see how that kind of plays out. Right now, 106.80 is support here in this market. Resistance is still at 109. Further support, if we get further risk off here and further escalation, would be at 105.06. Aussie dollar looks almost like a resumption of this downtrend here. Started out fairly positive and then started to fall apart here at the end of the week. Watching 69.06 for resistance, as well as 68.25. Support in this market is at 67.38 and 66.77. Kiwi dollar is really weaker between the Kiwi and the Aussie here. You can see breaking the lows here, closing almost on the lows here, so pretty bearish so far. Right now, we're watching this support level here at 62.38, and beyond that, if it breaks 60.85, would be the next area of support. Resistance is at 63.93. So, they're going to have their rate statement. Can't continue to see bearishness heading into it, and then maybe get a pop on the opposite direction after. So something to watch going into this week. Dollar CAD, right now watching 133.45 and 134.31 for resistance. Support is at 131.83, and beyond that 130.19. Really not a whole lot going on here, and the CAD has kind of been really choppy here for quite a few weeks here. Opportunities kind of been here and there, but pretty limited. Euro yen, you can see had a nice little pop and then sold off here. Right now, if we continue with the risk off tone, you can see the support here, our support area here at 118.20 gets tagged, as well as 117.25. Beyond that, we look at 116.26. Resistance in this market's at 120 the figure, and then 121.35. Aussie yen, again, continuing with a risk-off theme. If we continue to get that, could certainly see this one fall pretty fast. Watching 70, 74, and 70 the figure for support. and as well as this current area here at 72.69, 72.70. We'll see how the week opens up and see if they can find any support here. Resistance right now is at 74.30, and beyond that 76.12. And here in the pound yen, started to sell off here with the risk off tone. If you get any, again, depending on the Brexit situation, any type of rhetoric could certainly move this. But right now, 131.86 and 130.04 here is support. Resistance right now is at 135.48 and 137.80. That's our weekly Forex forecast for the week of September 22nd, 2019. Good hunting out there and happy trading.